Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques, how you doing today? We've got an agricultural offering for all you farm lovers out here. It's an R. Cali and Brothers hay and grain drains service. Easy for me to say. Really a nice sign, good condition. As you can see, the wear is strictly around the mounting marks. You got one in the middle there. Otherwise, all of the content is clear and visible. So if you're into agriculture or just looking for a great sign, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.